How mega projects are managed. The big picture. Today I am going to explain something that most people never really see. The world's biggest projects, cities, airports, dams, skyscrapers, railways, are not just made of concrete and steel. They are made of human decisions. A mega project is not an engineering problem. It is a human coordination problem. The real challenge is not how to build, but how to align thousands of people, billions of dollars, and many years of time into one single direction. A mega project is usually any project that costs more than $1 billion, involves thousands of workers, multiple companies, and takes many years to complete. These projects are so large that no single person can fully understand everything. That is why mega projects need systems, structures, and strong management. Without management, mega projects collapse under their own complexity. Why mega projects exist? Mega projects exist because humans want to change their environment. We want faster transport, bigger cities, more energy, and better living conditions. Governments build mega projects to grow economies. Companies build mega projects to make profit. Nations build mega projects to show power and progress. But every mega project starts with one simple thing: an idea. Someone imagines a future that does not exist yet. A new city, a new airport, a new bridge. That imagination becomes a vision, and that vision becomes a project. The life cycle of a mega project. Every mega project follows the same life cycle. First comes the idea, then comes planning, then design, then construction, then operation. In the idea stage, leaders ask, is this project even necessary? In the planning stage, they ask, is this project possible? In the design stage, engineers ask, how should it be built? In construction, workers ask, can we actually build it? And in operation, society asks, was it worth it? Most people only see the construction stage, but in reality, 70% of the real work happens before construction even starts. Feasibility and business case. Before a mega project is approved, a feasibility study is done. This study checks three things: technical feasibility, financial feasibility, and social feasibility. Technical feasibility asks, can this be built with today's technology? Financial feasibility asks, can we afford it? Social feasibility asks, will people accept it? Then a business case is prepared. This document explains why this project should exist. It includes cost, benefits, risks, and long-term impact. Without a strong business case, no mega project can survive politically or financially. Funding and money. Mega projects need massive money. This money usually comes from governments, banks, investors, or a mix of all three. Some projects are public, some are private, and some are PPP, public-private partnerships. The biggest danger in mega projects is cost overrun. Almost all mega projects end up costing more than planned. This happens because of delays, design changes, inflation, political pressure, and human optimism. Money is not just a resource. Money is pressure. When billions are involved, every decision becomes emotional and political. Organization structure. Mega projects need a strong organizational structure. Usually there is a client owner, a project management consultant, designers, main contractors, and many subcontractors. The client makes strategic decisions. The consultants manage systems. Contractors build. Subcontractors execute specific tasks. This creates a hierarchy. Information flows from bottom to top. Decisions flow from top to bottom. If communication breaks at any level, the entire system becomes blind. Planning and scheduling. Planning is the backbone of mega projects. Without planning, everything becomes chaos. Planners use schedules, timelines, milestones, and dependencies. Software like Primavera 6 or MS Project is used to manage thousands of activities. Each task is connected to another. If one task is delayed, many others are affected. Time in mega projects is not just time. Time is money, reputation, political trust, and public pressure. Design management. Design is where most mistakes are born. Architects and engineers design buildings, systems, and infrastructure. But design is never perfect at first. Design goes through reviews, approvals, revisions, and coordination. Different disciplines must work together: structural, electrical, mechanical, civil, and architectural. If design coordination fails, construction becomes a battlefield of clashes, rework, and delays. Technology and PMIS. Modern mega projects are managed using digital systems called PMIS, Project Management Information Systems. Examples are Aconex, Procore, Unifier, BIM, and digital twins. These systems manage documents, drawings, approvals, communications, and workflows. Without digital systems, mega projects would collapse under paperwork. Data becomes the new concrete. Whoever controls information controls the project. Risk management. Mega projects are full of risks: technical risks, financial risks, legal risks, environmental risks, political risks. Risk management means identifying risks before they happen and preparing responses. But humans are bad at predicting risks. We are optimistic. We believe problems will not happen. This is called optimism bias. It is one of the main reasons mega projects fail. Safety and human factor. Safety is not just rules. Safety is psychology. On mega projects, workers face noise, heat, pressure, fatigue, and deadlines. The human brain under stress makes mistakes. Most accidents do not happen because of machines. They happen because of human decisions. Mega projects try to control humans using procedures, training, and supervision. But humans always remain unpredictable. Supply chain and logistics. Mega projects use materials from all over the world. Steel, concrete, equipment, machines, and technology travel through global supply chains. Delays in shipping, customs, or manufacturing can stop entire projects. Logistics is invisible but extremely powerful. A project can fail not because of engineering, but because a ship was late. Contracts and law. Mega projects are governed by contracts. Contracts define responsibilities, risks, payments, penalties, and disputes. Common contracts include EPC, EPCM, and FIDIC. These documents are thousands of pages long. When things go wrong, lawyers become more important than engineers.